climb, flight level 270, okay, 165.
Roger. And 2871 Romeo, just be advised, I don't have you on radar yet. I should get you as you get closer towards Walp.
Roger, I will keep you posted. 287 Romeo.
Advise requesting lower in 1 minute to drop, please.
Scotty 13000 BFR, request descent and advise 1 minute before.
Roger.
Toronto Center, November 287 Romeo.
2871 Romeo, go ahead.
We're at the 5,000, there's a lot of weather condition. Can we go down to 4?
2871 Romeo, descend 4,000.
4,000, 287 Romeo. Thank you.
2300. Channel 115, Toronto Center, roger. Not above 300 knots, climb flight level 270.
Above 300 knots and climb 270, Air Canada 115.
Skydive India, descent's approved.
Skydive India, descent approved.
Air Canada 115, normal speed.
Normal speed, Air Canada 115.
And what is your climb speed going to be?
Showing 315 for Air Canada 115.
Okay, very good. Air Bravo 250, contact Toronto Center 12437.
Toronto 12437, Air Bravo 250,
Bye-bye. And WestJet 661, normal speed now.
okay, normal speed, WestJet 661.
Thank you. Tango Tango Mike, squawk head end, radar contact 6000. The Gorbea altimeter is going to be 2974.
2974 for Gorbea and squawk head end, Tango Mike.
Airskin 4310 at your discretion, descend 9,000, just like it'd be level 9,000 by box zone. Toronto's altimeter 2977. You can plan runway 23.
And 23, 2977, 9,000 by box zone, Airskin 4310.
Roger. November 2871 Romeo, contact Toronto Center on 1334.
133.4, 287 Romeo, see you.
Bye-bye.
71 Romeo, descend 3,000 feet. What approach you planning, Buttonville?
So 287 Romeo, descend to 3,000. We expect a visual runway 21.
Okay, can't give you a visual on the runway 21. Contact will be available upon request, or you can do.
We can do a localizer 15, and then we go over to land on runway 121.
71 Romeo, okay, descend 3,000 feet. Join the localizer and track it in. 71 Romeo, cleared Bundle Airport, localizer 15, circle 21.
287 Romeo, clear the localizer 15, circle to 21. 287 Romeo.
71 Romeo, roger. Switch over to 124.8, broadcast your intentions. I do have traffic opposite direction on the localizer right now at 2,000 feet. I'm not talking to.
Buttonville traffic in November 2871 Romeo. We're 4 miles north inbound for landing. Did you say runway 33 is active runway?
Yeah, the winds are favoring that. Winds look like they're about 300 at 5 knots.
Roger, we're going to get on the left downwind runway 33.
Buttonville traffic, chart rate 285 is now south of the 401, 1,700 feet, switch into city.
Buttonville traffic in November 2871 Romeo, left downwind runway 33, Buttonville.
Yeah, traffic northbound, chart rate 285, Augusta 109, I'm at 1,700 feet southbound. I'll stay on the east side of the DVP, just approaching the 401 now.
Buttonville traffic in November 27 Romeo, we're on the left base, runway 33, Buttonville.
Buttonville traffic, Officer Mike X-Face. Just coming up overhead the field here at 2,000 feet northeastbound. Yeah, traffic northbound, chart rate 225, Augusta 109, I'm at 1,700 feet southbound. I'll stay on the east side of the DVP, just approaching the 401 now.
Still traffic, Modi 703 numbers, 2,000 feet, transiting the zone from south to north, pretty much in the middle, 2,000 feet, traffic conflict.
Buttonville traffic in November 27 Romeo, clear the runway 33.
On your left-hand side, you'll see Millionaire.